Hi guys! Today we make rolling end credits in CapCut. First, unlock your phone and open the CapCut app. Once it opens, you'll see the main dashboard where all your projects are shown. This is where we start editing our video for end credits. So let's move to creating a new project. Now tap on New Project in CapCut. After that, your phone gallery will open where you can choose your video or images. Select any video you want to add end credits to. It's simple and works for any type of content. Choose the video or photos you want to use in your project. After selecting, tap the Add button on the bottom right side. Your selected media will now be imported into CapCut Timeline. This is where editing actually begins. Now look at the bottom menu and tap on the text option. This is where we will create the rolling end credits. CapCut allows you to add multiple lines easily using text tool. So don't worry, it's very beginner friendly. Now tap on Add Text. Here you can start typing your credits like names, roles, or any information you want. Write everything line by line so it looks like real movie credits. Take your time and make it clean and readable. After adding text, tap on the animation option. Here, you'll see different animation categories like in, out, and loop. We need scrolling effect, so choose carefully from the available options. This is what will create the rolling end credits effect. After adding text, tap on the animation option. Here, you'll see different animation categories like in, out, and loop. We need scrolling effect, so choose carefully from the available options. This is what will create the rolling end credits effect. Now go to the loop section in animations. Choose a scrolling or moving effect that makes text move upward. This will make your credits look like movie-style rolling text. Adjust speed so it looks smooth and professional. Now adjust the text timing on the timeline. Make sure it stays long enough so people can read everything clearly. You can drag and extend it depending on your video length. This step is important for a clean, final look. Once everything is done, go to the top right corner and tap Export. Your video will start processing and saving to your phone. Now your rolling end credits are ready in CapCut. It looks professional and clean like a real video edit. So guys, this is how you can easily make rolling end credits in CapCut. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and support the channel. And comment below what tutorial you want next. Teach I'll help you step by step.